back to the roulette jackpot. Today we're going to be showing you the fighter jet method, and I want to show you how we set this up. We're going to use 50 cents here. You can use dimes, you can use whatever you want. We're going to put 3 chips in the center, okay, and then a chip there, and one here to resemble almost like a fighter jet. So here we go. And the first one is 7. It's a loser. So what we're going to do is we're going to flip this, go up 3, 1 chip there, 1 chip there, and 1 chip there. And let's see what we can get. 16 is in the middle. And we're going to spin one more time. 25. 25 is actually a loser. So we're going to flip again. There's 3 chips there. And 1 chip up there. You don't have to use such big numbers like this. You can, you know, in a real casino, this would be $50, but each chip. But you don't have to do that. So I'm going to flip again and add. And here we go. 17's a winner. Spin again. And let's see where we're at. 32 is a winner. One more spin, we'll be up. And 34. So we are actually $950 more than what we started at. We're going to go back again and reset. 1, 2, 3. 1 chip there, 1 chip there, 1 and 1. And here we go. Five's a winner. Spin again. 21's a winner. We're up 1,150 already. Spin again. 25 again. So we flip. Remember, these are 50 cents. This will be $3.50. So we're going to flip this and add 3 there. So this would be $10.50 if you were playing with 50-cent pieces. So whatever preference that you have, that you like. And there's $3 coming back. All right. I'm going to spin one more time. And let's see. And there's 24. So now, folks, we are actually up $1,400 from what we first started with. And it's only been 4 minutes, roughly. So we're going to add 3 chips. Then 1 here, 1 there, 1 there, and 1 there. And 3's a loser, so we flip. Flip the fighter jet. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. We spin. And 29. So this puts us at $50 less. We're going to spin one more time. And 6 is a loser. So we got to flip again. So this, instead of this being $10.50, it'll be $21 plus 2, 3, $24.50. $24.50. So this is 50-cent pieces. And we got it. And we're just going to spin one more time. And 26 is a winner. So $1,700 is what we're up to. We're going to try again with the fighter jet. $3.50 if you want to look at it like that. And there's 14. Spin again. There's 8. Spin again. There's 11. And just like that, folks, we made $2,000 in a matter of 6 minutes. Which it ain't bad. If you were using 50-cent pieces, that would have been $20 in like 6 minutes. So that's still, pretty good profit, I'd say. Just trying this fighter jet method. So please don't forget to like, share, and comment on my videos. I'm trying to grow the channel. We're up to like 16, 17 videos so far in, and we got a long way to go. Peace.